Now, when it comes to Terra Luna Classic, I remember the good old days, right? The good old days when Terra Luna Classic was diving lower in price, and lunatics began to buy it up, in hopes that it would rebound and they would make a lot of money. Now things have turned into a free-for-all. Things have turned into a cash grab. How much money can we take from other people? Now, I'm going to be going over some of the latest with the USTC repeg team here, because the $20,000 that was spent on them to come up with some math in order to figure out the best way to walk the price of USTC back up to that $1 mark, it seems to have been abandoned. Right now, they are hyper-focused. No, that has like a positive connotation to it. Obsessed with a $12 million wallet that belongs to Ozone. Now, they're claiming it belongs to the community, that it was entrusted to those that are in control of the multi-signature wallet, and demanding those funds back has already been approved in community proposals. We're going to talk about the latest because we haven't seen any of those funds burned yet. We haven't seen any of those funds sent to either the burn wallet or the community pool, and it doesn't seem as though Ozone is going to be willingly giving up that $12 million. All right? Who would? Let's talk about what the latest is going on, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you're going to get at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're getting 5% on your cash balances. Webull is also available in the United Kingdom now, so if you guys live in the UK, you can check it out there. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you've got KuCoin and Binance. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn, but please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it's going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Now, guys, we know that there has been a hyper-focus and an obsession with this $12 million wallet. The community passed the proposal to request those funds be sent back to the community pool and then eventually burned after they are sent back to that community pool. Now, we've got Alex, part of the USTC team, fighting with Vegas, and Vegas fighting with everybody, and everybody fighting with everybody, and being divided over this $12 million stupid wallet that wasn't ours to begin with and shouldn't be ours to determine what we want to do with it. Guys, if we're rebuilding Terra Luna Classic, we need to focus on rebuilding Terra Luna Classic, not going in and burning everybody's coins. I have an idea. If you want to do that, do what Do Kwon did and just fork off to another coin, abandon the one you're currently working on, and let it die. I mean, maybe some other Luna 2.0, Lunatics 2.0, or Lunatics 2023 team can come in and try to revive it then. Dude, but why fight over it? So, we've got a very long Twitter thread, and we're going to be going over it because things are getting serious, okay? Now we're talking about, the USTC team is talking about suing people, doxing people, hiring law firms. The community is going to have to vote on spend proposals to hire law firms to sue over this $12 million wallet that was given to them and entrusted to the signers in the first place of that multi-signature wallet. It says the issues here are not complicated. The Ozone and Risk Harbor multi-signature wallet was charged with custodying 1 billion USTC on the Terra Luna Classic community's behalf. Yes, they were. And if they walked away with that money, I guess we shouldn't have trusted them with it. The Ozone multi-signature sent 200 million USTC to Binance and has very likely dumped it last August. The Ozone multi-signature wallet owes the community 1 billion USTC. This is the same dude that loves talking about writing bad debt off. You know what? Let's just write it all off, man. Why just focus on them? Everybody that has USTC, it might just be time to write it off. If we're going to be sitting here tearing the community apart, by threatening lawsuits. It is obvious that we are on our last string, and this is not what the people of Terra Luna Classic set out to do. And this is certainly not what the people of Terra Luna Classic voted to fund you guys to do. The job was to create some sort of a divergent protocol, a buyback protocol that could get Binance, KuCoin, and all of the different centralized exchanges on board so that we could walk that price back up. This has turned into something that it never should have turned into. The community has asked them to return the 800 million USTC still in the wallet by sending it to the burn address. They haven't responded publicly. Oh, but they're negotiating in private with you, right? There's nothing to negotiate here. They either owe the community pool or the burn address 1 billion USTC. Actually, they don't owe 1 billion. The community pool, the community governance that was voted on that 800 million USTC. We didn't vote on the additional 200 million USTC. So I don't even know where we're coming up with these numbers now. People so quickly forget what these Terra Luna Classic governance proposals were originally intended for. And now we're just, beginning to put them down our own path that we come up with. The only thing that can plausibly be negotiated is them splitting the $200 million or 200 million USTC, loot with you to facilitate your spending of the 800 million USTC. Spending 400 million or 800 million USTC by dumping it rug pulls the USTC's work. Don't even get me started. What work? The fact that you did this behind our backs, and indeed behind the back of Ray Raspberry, whose forensics did the initial work, is concrete evidence of ill intent. No, it's not, man. No, it's not. I don't know if people understand what a decentralized blockchain is, but it's no centralized authority having control. That means the USTC repeg team does not have control of the blockchain. It is the community that governs the chain. I'm getting very frustrated with all of this, man. If people would just focus on what they intended to do in the first place, I truly believe that we would be able to accomplish much more than we ever have. You wanted to burn the USTC as long as it meant going to the community pool, insisting wrongly that money has to go to the community pool first. Once was proven wrong, you came clean about your motives and spending half of it on infrastructure. If the Risk Harbor team is concerned about selling USTC at 5 cents last August and now being on the hook for X more than what 200 million USTC is worth today, they shouldn't be. The upside is theirs. The Risk Harbor multi-signature wallet owes the Terra Luna Classic community 200 million USTC plus the 800 million USTC still in custody. Once again, we did not vote on that. If you don't have the 200 million USTC, who cares if they do? Nobody voted on it. And it seems to be the case they aren't interested in complying. The community is absolutely within its rights to expropriate the multi-signatures assets. If they dump the USTC on the open market, that'll be strong grounds for a lawsuit, and it'd still be theft. Guys, I don't know. I don't know anymore. If we're willing just to go in and erase wallets and defy what blockchains stand for. I get it, right? If they went in there and they misappropriated funds the way everybody else in the cryptocurrency market seems to be doing right now, that's not right. But blockchain technology is different than centralized exchange or centralized technology, in the sense that the ledger doesn't get manipulated afterwards in the same way that a central authority like Alex can go in there and think he can change the ledger and all of a sudden disappear $12 million from someone's custody simply because they think it's the right thing to do. We are talking about manipulating a blockchain in a way that, in my opinion, would devastate what Terra Luna Classic stands for in the first place. True decentralized finance. True blockchain technology. Finance that doesn't rely on central authorities or banks. But why would anybody use the Terra Luna Classic blockchain if it meant a simple vote by 5 validators could come in there and wipe their savings clean? I wouldn't trust that. I don't know if we can trust these teams or not. It's beyond me to see the direction that we're going from really how far we've come. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. I know a good part of this community is behind burning that $12 million. I know a good part of the community is behind going in there and just erasing it from their custody. But just let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.